Oh yeah, barbecue pork loin. Now, if you notice a few things, chef's using the right tools, heavy-duty tongs, thick stainless steel roasting pan. We call this a hotel pan or chafing pan, either way. And then this is where cheap beer comes into play. We don't drink it usually, but man, it's good to cook with. Put a little beer over that pork. Yeah. Now, while you're at it, you might as well add some more good stuff. And of course, this pork's already been rubbed with the special dry rub mixture, starting with the Cajun blend. And then we're adding some tomato sauce that also has garlic. We've got some chili powder, the Hatch chili, as well as the New Mexico chili powder in here. There's a little bit of tomatoes and onions and peppers. The whole recipe's not that critical. Number one, select good meat. Number two, follow the procedures. And that's what barbecue's all about, making it good. Okay, I'm going to cover this up with a highly used Silpat mat. It's going to help hold some of the steam in there. And I'm going to put it back on the grill and slow cook. I'll be back. Yeah, look at that. This barbecue's been cooking slowly now for a few hours. Check it with the thermometer. Make sure we're up to at least 140 degrees. I don't know about you, but I don't like a stomach ache. There we go. That one's good. This one's a little larger. That one is good too. Yeah. The finished pork. What do you think? Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Barbecue pork. Notice the nice red color from the smoking. Juicy. Yeah. Yeah, sliced up nice and thin. The finished barbecue pork, slow roasted. Some sauteed spinach, red skin potatoes. Yeah, that's looking really, really good. Wow. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Have yourself a beautiful day. Keep cooking. Yeah.